When your cat is super happy.
Oh.
Look at this little kitten. Hey. Oh!
How do you pronounce this?
Say wow.
When your cat is trying to talk to you.
Can you give a squeak? Yeah, thank you. Can you get your tail out of my bath?
I think this cat speaks English.
Thank you.
You don't have to knock. You can just come in.
He's horny. Right after surgery? Are you kidding?
Say hi to everybody.
Your cat is more social than you think.